Hi everyone, and welcome back to another how-to video. Today's recipe, Mars bar cookies. So let's get started. You're going to need about 140 grams of butter cut into small cubes, and then 250 grams of plain flour and a teaspoon of baking powder. Once the butter and flour are combined, then you want to add 250 grams of sugar. Now, I've got a combination of both caster and soft brown sugar, but you can use any kind of sugar you want. With the sugar now combined with the cookie mix, you want to add your chocolate. Now, we're using Mars bar, but you can use any chocolate you like. You want to cut them into almost like chocolate chip size, and you want to use probably 1 to 2 chocolate bars, depending on what chocolate bar you're using. So they go in there, and then mix that together. Once it's mixed in for a little bit, add 1 egg. In about 2 or 3 minutes, it's going to form your cookie dough. So you're going to want to get that out. I'm going to want to put it on a floured chopping board, or the floured side. There you go. Nice cookie dough. What you're going to want to do is now roll it into like a oblong shape. Once you've rolled and shaped your cookie dough mix into a tubular shape, you want to cut them into your individual cookies. Now, you want to keep them nice and thick because it gives them a nice density to their shape when they're cooking, because in the cooking process it will spread out a little bit. With that in mind, you also want to give them enough space on your greased tray, otherwise they will spread together and make one giant cookie, unless that's what you're going for. Right, let's then spread out a nice bit. Now, you want to put them into a preheated oven at about 190 electric, and yeah, give them about 10-15 minutes. Right, it's been about 12 minutes, so let's go check these bad boys. They are done. And there we go. As you can see, they did spread out a little bit, and some of them have stuck together a little bit, but that doesn't matter. That's all great when you're making your own cookies. The misshapen the better, because then it looks proper homemade. But that's it, yeah, they're ready to go. Just let them cool down for a little bit, because obviously it's all very gooey, so you don't want to burn yourself. So yeah, that's the end of the video. Thanks so much again for watching, and see you again in the next one. Laters.